Pinaka-affordable na single attached dito sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. Very accessible to Manila at malapit din ito sa SM Dasma, Robinson Palapala, schools, worship area, universities, hospitals at marami pang iba. Located nga lang ito sa Langkaan, Dasmariñas, Cavite at one bus ride lang ito going to PITX. Kaya naman daw skip this video. This is Pao Pipito and my mom Ana Vlogs. Samahan nyo kami mag-quick house tour sa pinakabagong project natin dito sa Cavite. Single attached na may minimum lot size na 58 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 to 2 carport. At floor area na 44.5 square meters, kaya naman may enough space tayo for our living, dining at kitchen area. Basic finish turnover. Ang advantage nito ay mako-customize natin ang design ng tiles, color ng paint at sukat ng room. Napakalawak din ang ating sliding windows for proper ventilation at para makapasok ang natural light. May provision ito for 2 bedroom at dahil nga single attached ito, napakalaki ng space natin for home expansion. You can reserve this property for as low as 10,000 pesos plus the initial requirement at ang estimated monthly nito ay 13,000. Ready ka na bang magkabahay?